Good morning, Arav. Today is your big day.
I'm scared, Mom.
Being brave means trying.
Even when you're scared.
I'll try my best.
You look wonderful.
Do I really?
Every friend starts as a stranger.
Maybe I'll make one today.
Welcome, Arav. We're happy you're here.
Hello.
We'll be waiting for you after school. Please come early.
Can I sit with you? Yes, thank you.
Beautiful drawing.
My family helps me feel brave. Want to share lunch? I'd like that. Here you go. Thank you. Good. Yeah, really good. Are you okay? I'm okay. Let's keep playing.
Every brave heart starts with one small step.
I took mine today. Mom, Dad, I made a friend.
We're so proud of you.
This calls for a sweet treat.
Best first day ever.
Cheers to that.
So good.
We'll always cheer for you.
I know.
Sleep well, our brave boy.
Tomorrow will be another beautiful day.